Our YouTube channel. I'm your Math Master 101. Nandito po tayo sa ating topic about subtraction of monomials. Okay, so sa pag-subtract po ng monomials ay ganun pa rin yung concept na ginamit natin doon sa on how to add monomials. Okay, sa pag-subtract ng monomials, tatandaan po natin na dapat yung isusubtract natin na monomials ay dapat meron silang like terms or similar terms. Okay, like terms, same literal coefficients. Meron silang literal coefficients na pareho. Same literal coefficients. Another example, we have negative CD, 4CD, 5CD. Okay, pare-pareho silang literal coefficients. Okay, that's on how to identify if their terms are similar. Okay, so simulan natin sa isang example. Halimbawa, 5CD minus 3CD. Okay. So, pwede ba natin itong isubtract? So, pwede. Kasi, pareho sila ng literal coefficient. Okay, kupihan po natin yung literal coefficient, which is CD. And then, let's subtract. 5 minus 3. So, simple arithmetic. So, 5 minus 3, that is 2. CD. O kaya, sa rule ng subtraction of integers, we are going to change the sign. So this is positive 3 becomes negative 3. Change the sign of subtraction and then subtraction into addition. So 5CD plus negative 3CD is also the same with 2CD. Kasi magsusubtract po tayo kasi the addition of integers with two unlike sides. Okay, so ganyan lang. Okay, another example. We have 9AB minus 12AB. Okay, sa 9AB minus 12AB, so pwede siyang subtract kasi parehong literal coefficient. Just copy the literal coefficient AB and then 9 minus 12, that is 9AB. This becomes addition. This change into negative kasi positive yan. Change the sign of subtraction. So this 12AB becomes negative 12AB. So 9 plus negative 12. So we are going to subtract 12 minus 9. So the answer is negative 3 kasi yung highest absolute value ay ang sign niya is negative. Kaya ang ating answer is negative 3AB. Okay. Last one example. So, paano naman kung ganito? 5A minus 6B plus 4A. Okay. So, paano kung ganyan? So, gagawin natin ito, pareho diba ito ng literal coefficient. So, pagtabihin natin yung parehong literal coefficient. 5A plus 4A, then ipahuli natin yung 6B. Kasi iba naman yung B sa A. So, 5 plus 4, that is 9. A minus 6B. So, ang tanong, pwede ba nating ma-minus yan? 9A minus 6B? Pwede ba? So, hindi na po. Kasi ito na yung final answer. Kasi magkaiba sila ng literal coefficient. So, yan na po yung answer natin. So, that's all on how to subtract monomials. Goodbye!